Hi everyone, I'm here with Rick at Daycorp's Redfern TNT apartment site. Rick, how's the building going?
Paul, the building's going fine. We're up on the last structural level here and we're just finishing off the penthouses now.
So what is the next major phase of the construction?
The next major phase is to concentrate on finishing the internals and the external facade, and then to start construction on the second stage, which is the building beside this one.
Sounds great. Now more importantly, and most importantly for the owners, is it running to schedule? Is it running on time? When will completion be?
Well, we are running to schedule and we're looking for a end of November 2018 completion.
Good stuff. Well, there you go. The TNT building in here at Redfern is going along great with completion due at the end of the year.